Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if you could find a lipstick that combines bold color, comfort, and long-lasting wear in one quick swipe? Well, Maybelline might just have the answer with their Superstay Ink Crayon Matte Lipstick in the shade Work For It. This crayon-style lipstick promises a matte finish that lasts up to 8 hours with no need for constant touch-ups. Intrigued? Let's dive into the details and see if this lipstick really lives up to its claims. The Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Matte Lipstick is designed to offer an ultra-long wearing formula that won't budge or fade throughout the day. It's made with Maybelline's unique lasting ink technology, which helps to deliver rich, smudge-proof color with just one swipe. This particular shade, Work For It, is part of a wide range of bold hues, from vibrant reds to daring pinks, designed to take you from a day at the office to an evening out. Now let's talk about how it performs. When I first tried this lipstick, I was impressed by how easily the crayon glided across my lips. There was no tugging, and the application was super smooth and precise, thanks to its crayon format. It's really user-friendly, especially for those who prefer a no-fuss lip product. I was also pleased to see that it didn't dry out my lips, something that's often a concern with matte formulas. Instead, it felt comfortable and lightweight throughout the day. In terms of wear, this lipstick truly impressed. After applying, I went about my day, and it stayed put for hours. I didn't need to worry about reapplying during lunch or after a coffee break. It passed the transfer test with flying colors, leaving no marks on cups or tissue when I blotted. And yes, it's absolutely smudge-resistant, no feathering or fading, which is exactly what you want from a Longwear lipstick. On the flip side, the built-in sharpener, while convenient, might not be for everyone. It's a nice touch for on-the-go applications, but I did find that the crayon could get a little blunt after a few uses, which made precision harder to achieve. That said, it's still far more accurate than some twist-up lipsticks. Let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon offers impressive long-lasting color that holds up throughout the day without fading, smudging, or transferring. The application is smooth, and it doesn't dry out the lips like many matte formulas do. The price is reasonable for the quality you're getting, especially considering how well it performs in terms of longevity. However, the downside for some could be the built-in sharpener. While it's convenient, it doesn't prevent the crayon from becoming slightly less precise after several uses. If you're someone who prefers ultra-fine precision, you might find yourself needing to touch up the tip with a manual sharpener eventually. Now let's talk about value for money. At 0.4 ounces per crayon, you're getting a product that delivers on its promises of long-lasting wear without needing constant reapplications. It's competitively priced within the drugstore range, especially for a product that can hold up through meals, meetings, and coffee dates. Considering the high-performance formula, I'd say it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other great matte lipsticks in this price range, but not many that offer the same level of durability. For example, Maybelline's own Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick could be a comparable alternative for those who prefer liquid formulas over crayon-style lipsticks. The packaging is sleek and portable, but I do wish the crayon could hold its sharpness a bit longer. Still, it's durable enough for daily use, and the sleek design fits easily in a handbag or makeup bag for easy on-the-go application. So, does this lipstick live up to the hype? Absolutely. If you're someone who values ease of use, long-lasting wear, and comfortable matte finish, the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Matte Lipstick is a solid choice. Whether you're new to matte lipsticks or a seasoned pro, this product delivers exactly what it promises: a bold, long-wearing lip look without the constant upkeep. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Did it hold up for you as promised? We'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.